Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Monkey Wrench Mike here. Today we're getting down and dirty with my classic Mercedes. If you've been watching this, I guess it's going to be a series right here. This is my $1,500 1990 Mercedes 560 SEC. I'm really excited about this car, and I think this is the car that brought me like 500 or 600 subscribers. Yay! Or maybe it was Randy at Auto Auctions. Yay! So thank you guys for tuning in, and I have had some flack. Some people say, you know what, this isn't a classic Mercedes. No. Well, it's 29 years old. I think that it is, okay? I would classify this as a classic Mercedes, classically classified. Yeah, okay. But what we've done so far, we've checked the fluids and everything was kind of marginal, I guess I would say. Not pure black, but not nice and new. So we are going to refresh the fluids. But what I want to do is I want to see why this thing will only run for about 10 or 15 seconds at a time. Now, I've gone ahead and I want to look at a spark plug. So I've loosened this. And we're just going to turn this a couple of more turns. And I promise you, I have not looked to see what this is like. So this is going to be new to me. And there's a piece of something stuck right in there. What is that? Okay, those are kind of oily and kind of gross. Focus with me here. Focus, focus. All right, if you're a spark plug expert, tell me what you think about this. Yeah, I'm going to replace them. And look, I have to use the big spark plug removal tool. We're old school, and I love it. Yeah, so let's put this back in, and then we're going to button her up, and we're going to try to see why she only runs for a couple of seconds. Now, take a look right there. These two items could be the cause. I've received some good comments from people on another video about why she's not running very well. And a lot of people say it's the fuel pump relay, and a lot of people say it's the OVP relay. I think that's the overload protection relay. There's a little 10 amp fuse in there that needs to be good for the car to be good. But this right here, this is your fuel pump relay, and this right here is your OVP relay. So I went to the, I actually went to rockauto.com, and if you click on the pictures of the tools, you'll get other cars that you can get these parts from, or the cars that the parts will fit. And actually, a 1993 190E came up as a good source for the OVP and the fuel pump relay. So look at that. I got this for like $2, and I got this for like $2. So we're going to give it a start. We're going to let you guys hear what it sounds like. It's going to die, and then we're going to put in the fuel pump relay first, give it a start, see what happens. Then we're going to put in the OVP relay, give it a start, and see what happens. Okay, this isn't going to be a 30-minute video. We're going to get it done. We're going to get her done nice and easy and quick today. We're inside the classic Mercedes, and I'm going to keep saying that because I think that this is a classic Mercedes. And I have done a little cleaning, a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of cleaning, and she's coming back very, very nicely. So let's give her a start and see what happens, okay? I'm going to let you listen, and hopefully, oh look, the seatbelt presenter still works. Isn't that nice? Okay, here we go. Okay, she's still running. Not super smooth, but she's running. Let's roll down the window here.
Morning.
Hi, how are you? It's literally been about a minute and a half, and she's still alive. We do have some smoke right here. know what that's coming from. But she is alive. She runs okay. The belts are okay. Let's see if she'll rev. Let's try that, okay? I had to stop the video. A neighbor came by to borrow some jumper cables. Being the kind person that I am, of course you can borrow my jumper cables. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, that's not me. Okay, that was the car. Basically, my foot has been on the pedal with the same pressure, and it started to kind of do that. So let's see what happens now. See, that's not my foot. Okay. You see that thing jump? Look at him. Look at him jump. Yeah. Okay, so let's try it with another fuel pump relay. I think I can do this one-handed. I removed this relay already, and the fuel pump relay should just come out. There's a little clip. Okay, out with the old. In with the new. Where that little piece of stuff right there is. Okay. And then we'll put this back in. Okay, here we go. Come on. All right. You both want to participate. All right, here we go. Okay. Now let's start it and see what happens. Take 2. Okay. Say a little prayer for the car. We haven't named her yet. Someone thought Charlene would be good. Let's see here. Well, doggy. You know what I think? I think we have a fuel delivery issue. Oh, look, he's still tweet. Come on, jump up one more time. Nope. Okay. I think this is a fuel delivery issue. I think the car's been sitting for so long. I have ordered 2 fuel pumps because there are DOS fuel pumpos in there and a fuel filter. So in the next video, we will put that on. But let's try the OVP and see what happens. For my next magic trick, we're going to be replacing the OVP. All right, there's your 10 amp fuse right there. And if this thing goes, then this thing doesn't work. And then the whole thing is kind of screwed up. We're just doing this just to see what kind of a difference it makes. I really think we have either, and not an OVP, but an ICV. That's the idle control valve. I think it could be the problem why the idle fluctuates and then dies. I just got to figure out where that is. Okay, so out with the old, in with the new. Let's look and see what those look like on the inside. They're okay. Not super clean, but they're not like really corroded. Okay, here we got this in. The left side fits in a little recess, and the right side slides in. Just like that. See how pretty? Okay, now let's give her a start and see what happens. Are you ready? Are you ready, boys and girls? Let's see what happens when we turn the key. Okay. That was supposed to be Mr. Rogers, but that was terrible. Okay. Does it make a difference? Now we find out. Oh, I put a little gas in this too. Yeah, just a little bit. I think she sounds better. For some reason, this gas pedal is hard to push. I think it's a gas thing because when it needs more gas, it's just not getting it. I think. Let's relax, relax. Foot is off. Foot is off. So she's getting enough fuel until she needs more, and then I think the fuel filter is plugged. Yay or nay? Tell me what you think, because I do have some Mercedes experts that do watch these videos, and I certainly appreciate all the help that anybody can give. But she's alive. I think she sounds pretty good. So have we fixed the issue? I don't know. So what we're going to do in the next video is we'll put in 2 fuel pumps, 1 fuel filter, and I'll figure out that ICV, the idle control valve, and we'll give that a good rattle because it's supposed to actually rattle when you shake it, and if it rattles, it's good. BMW kind of has the same thing, so we'll check that out as well. But I'm happy. I'm really happy about this. So thank you guys for watching. Sorry about the glare. There we go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I hit 3,100 and something subscribers, and I'm really happy about that. So until next time, America.